Yeah, it's my little guy's birthday today. He'll be remembered for 50-mile-per-hour gusts.
Happy birthday.
Once again, Boomer's gift-giving skills.
Yes.
Great for the children's, not great for the parents.
What does that mean?
Well, he knows that little Anthony is musical. He likes to sing. He likes to play instruments. So Boomer got Anthony Carton an electronic drum set.
That's awesome.
And it's very cool. It's flat. It's a pad. It's not like a whole big set. So literally, you could sit. You can have it right here. And
But
it's
that
loud.
kid's going to be banging.
Oh, it's
on
loud. That and the karaoke machine.
Yes.
And all of a sudden, here's what took place during the entire first half of the New England game. As Boomer knows, so I did a TV show with Craig Robinson from The Office, right?
Yep.
The Spots. It'll be on Spike, whatever, coming up. We filmed it 2 weeks ago. And in that, we are singing the song by the Weather Girls, It's Raining Men. And then one of the lyrics is, It's Raining Craigs. Now, my kids saw it. So for an hour yesterday, you have to imagine a now 6-year-old, microphone in one hand, drumstick in the other, courtesy of Uncle Boomer, going, it's raining Craigs! Hallelujah! Daddy, come sing with me. Yeah. You'll get a call today from him.
That's a great gift.
I know. You understand something. It's very easy to understand what to get the Carton kids. Whatever I can do to aggravate Daddy, he's not going to do it. So I put a lot of thought into this.
Created more chaos.
Yes, exactly.
I'm going to bring the drum pad in tomorrow.
He's got Nerf guns all over the place. He's got a drum pad. He's got a karaoke machine. He's got a little bit of everything.
No wonder
it's
he
great.
didn't sleep.
Oh, it's hilarious.
Hey, Anthony, could you stop? No. Anthony, please stop. No. Anthony, could you wait till the commercial break? It's
Hi,
raining
Anthony.
men.
That's like when I said of 5,000 little pieces,
Legos.
Legos.
No, that was just to screw me.